Hello everybody, welcome to my official YouTube channel. If this is your first time seeing us here on YouTube, please don't forget to hit on subscribe button so that anytime we upload new video, you will be the first person to see it. Some of the apps that will help you to edit your photos and your videos like a pro, and this app I've been making use of it for some months now, and they are very good. Three apps that you can use to edit your photos and edit your videos, and all of this will be like a pro. And after everything, I will still give you a link on how you can download the pro version for free, because if I should show you the app here without showing you the direction on how you can get the application for free, when you go to online there, you will see the free version, but many of the features there you are going to pay for it. So after the video today, after the video, I'm going to share you the link on how you can get the original version, which is the premium version. And when you download it, everything are going to be free in it, in these three apps that I'm going to show. So I'm going to show you the first one here. See the first one here where the arrow is pointing to. This is the first app as a photo editor, a content creator. If you want to edit your photo like a pro, this app here where the arrow is pointing to, you can make use of this app. You can see that it's loading on my screen. You can see that it's loading on my screen. So let me edit this, any of this picture that is here. You can see this picture that is here. I'm going to edit one. You will see it. I'm going to remove the background. I'm going to design it, different things on it. So you can see, let me take this first one here. I believe that you can see this picture on my channel there. You can see it, just only the picture, the background have already been removed. The button also, you see different options here. Make use of it to edit your photos, and all this is going to make your photo looks like a pro work. So I will remove the background. So when you want to remove the background, you scroll to this BG arrow is pointing to. You touch this particular one here for you to remove the background. Make sure that you have data on your phone before you can make use of it. So I will touch it now. After I've touched it, you see that it's loading. The whole background of the picture will remove automatically. You can see that the background have been removed. When you want to insert it to another background, if you don't have any other picture that you want to insert there are many pictures here that you can also use. You can see this one here. You can see this one here. Let me change it to this background. You can see it, I've changed it to this background. Then another one here is going to change again. You can see another one here is still going to change. There are many of these backgrounds that are there. If you want to change your photo background, all those lines that you normally used to find in the around the shape of the photos, place here, you can see it different of the options here. You can going to touch on for you to change the edge of the photos have been changed. You have added another effect to it. When you draw it to the end, you see that it's adding more. When you take it down, you see that it's decreasing. You select your color, the color of the line that you want to trace there, that the color here is white. If you want to change it to any other color, you select from this option here to yellow color. You can see it here, it's already changed to yellow color. And you want to save it, you touch it. You to add effects, you can see it here. You touch this particular one here. After you have done everything, save it from here. Automatically, it's going to save automatically. You can see on my screen, you can see here that it's showing save. Then if you want to share it to WhatsApp, you can share it from here. It's just a little of it. This another photos editor that you can also use to edit your photo as a pro. In any of these two ones, the first one and this particular one, you go through it. you do it step by step. You study it so that you will understand how to edit any of the photos. So wait a minute, after it upload, if you want to select photo from your phone, you can select from here. You touch this particular ones here, which is from your gallery, from your album. This where you select it. Then from the app, which is from your main phone, from your file manager, this where you select it. Then from the camera, this where you select it. But if you want to start with a new background that if, for example, after you have removed the photo from the first app, there you have removed the background, and you want to add a background like yellow, green, white. This is where you do it. You first of all touch these particular ones here. Then the photo that you are going to save, all are going to be, you are going to see the receipt, all your history, your work done, you are going to see there here. So after that, I'm going to touch this particular, the new. You can see that it's loading. Then you select the background. You can select the background. These are the backgrounds that I'll be using, which is five background. This is the first one here. This is the second one. This is the third one, the fourth one, the fifth one. If you don't like any of this background, you can change. You draw it down. When you draw it down, you remove your hand. It will delete. Then if you want to add another background, you touch this plus here. Then you add to it. It's going to show you like this. Then you select any of the color. Select any of the color that you are seeing there. Or if you don't like any of the color there, you touch this particular option here. You touch this option here for you to select another colors then. So I'm going to touch it for you to select. You see, you can select any backgrounds here. You can change it to any background that you like. When you have switched it to, maybe you want to use red, you screw it up, then you draw this middle one to the red. If you want to use a blue or a yellow, you touch it. You can see that the color is already showing them. Then after that, you touch it, then you press OK. Okay, you can see that it's loading. This is my screen now. You can see that it's loading, and you can also zoom it. Then I'm going to touch this gallery apps. So you scroll it down, you touch your AI gallery. You select the photo that you like, the photo that you want to edit. The photo that you want to edit, you can see that I've already removed background for all these ones here. I've already removed the background. Then you touch it, you touch the photo, you can see that no background in it. Then you touch apply. When you have touched apply, you see that the image is bigger than the size of the background that you create. You make sure that you take it down to a small level. You can see that it's getting smaller. Then you take it down, you bring it down here. You can see on my screen that I've already added here. All these ones here, you can make use of it. If you want to add text, this where you touch. If you want to add image here, angles, this where you do it. Then if you want to insert sticker, this where you do it. Then I'm going to add angles. So you can see here, this angle, I've touched the angle. Then I've applied it. Then you do it like this. I believe you have seen it on my YouTube thumbnail. You can add text to it. I'm going to type on my screen, which is the name of my YouTube channel. Then you take it down, you bring it here. This is how you do it. You add more and more to your taste. If you like it like that, you save it. You are going to touch the gold at the top of it. Then it's going to ask you, all objects will be meshed into an image. You touch apply, then it's going to save. You can see that it has already saved together as one image. Then after you have saved it, then if you want to save it to your phone, then you touch this download button where it's showing save here. You touch it. When you touch it, it's going to ask you to your gallery, or you want to share it out, or you want to save to your file manager, or to save as storage, or to keep out. You select from any of these, or you want to save it as a PDF. You can also bring it here. For many other options here, you can print it out also. You can print it out from this particular page. After you have done that, after you have saved it, then you go to your gallery, you will see it. So that is how you make use of that app. Then you can use this to edit your video as a pro. You use it to edit your video, using to edit your comedy video, to edit your content, to do anything concern as video, to add effects. You can use it for it. It's very simple and easy. All you need to do is for you to download it. When you download it, you go through it step by step. So you touch it, you can see that it's loading on the screen. Once you have touched it, if you want to edit any of your video, your video, you touch this particular new project, you touch the new project, then you select video that you want to edit. You select video that you want to edit from here. But if you don't want to do that and you want to do it through camera, you can touch the camera there, you continue to edit your video. So that is how you do it. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed to our channel before, please don't forget to hit on subscribe button so that anytime we upload a new video, you will be the first person to see it. Thank you for watching. Bye.